There's a moment, just as the sun finally surrenders to the horizon, when Bangkok undergoes a profound transformation. The relentless heat of the day gives way to a cooler, more electric energy. It's a city that doesn't just dim, it ignites. A million points of light begin to flicker to life, from the towering skyscrapers that pierce the skyline to the humble, inviting glow of a single lantern on a quiet soi. This is the Bangkok that truly awakens after dark. Down on the streets, the atmosphere shifts entirely. The daytime hustle of commerce and routine is replaced by a vibrant, almost theatrical buzz of anticipation. The air, once thick with the sounds of traffic, now begins to carry the murmur of conversation, the sizzle of hot oil, and the distant pulse of music. This is where the real magic begins. And then, the aromas arrive. A complex symphony of scents that tells the story of the city's culinary heart. Sweet, spicy, savory, and smoky notes all weave together, drifting through the alleyways and beckoning you closer. Tonight, we're following that call, walking through one of Bangkok's famous night markets, a sprawling labyrinth of flavor and discovery, where every single step promises something new, something delicious. As dusk settles over Bangkok, a different kind of energy begins to stir. The daytime hustle of the metropolis gives way to something more intimate, more vibrant. This is where you find the true heart of the city's street culture, the night market. It's a sensory explosion, a nightly festival that awakens as the city's official business day ends. The air itself feels different here, thick with anticipation and the fragrant promise of incredible food. Every evening, this labyrinth of light and sound draws everyone in. You'll see locals, fresh from their workday, seeking a familiar, comforting meal. You'll see wide-eyed travelers, cameras in hand, trying to capture the beautiful chaos of it all. And you'll see the dedicated food lovers, those who have come on a pilgrimage to the source. They all gather here, shoulder to shoulder, united by a common purpose. Because coming to a night market isn't just about eating, it's about participating in a ritual. It's a chance to connect, to share a laugh over a plate of something delicious, and to feel the undeniable pulse of Bangkok. From the percussive clang of a spatula against a sizzling wok, to the kaleidoscopic glow of neon signs reflecting in the humid air, every detail contributes to the symphony. This is more than a market. It's a living, breathing organism. It's a testament to a city that finds its most authentic expression long after the sun has set. This is the Bangkok that truly never sleeps. In Bangkok, the streets come alive at night, not just with lights and sounds, but with an incredible symphony of flavors. This is where the city's heart truly beats. Street food here isn't just a quick meal, it's a performance, a tradition, and an art form passed down through generations. It's fast, fresh, and absolutely full of character. Our first stop is for a true Thai classic. Watch the master at work, the intense heat of the wok charring the noodles just so. The rhythmic clatter of the spatula is a language all its own. Prawns, tofu, and bean sprouts are tossed in a tamarind sauce that's the perfect balance of sweet, sour, and savory. Just a few steps away, the air is thick with the irresistible aroma of charcoal and caramelizing sugar. Here, skewers of marinated pork, known as mu ping, sizzle patiently over glowing embers. Each piece is repeatedly brushed with a secret sauce, a family recipe that creates a sticky, smoky glaze. The result is tender, juicy, and unbelievably addictive. It's a simple pleasure, perfected. Then, there's the theatre of roti. What begins as a simple ball of dough is transformed through a mesmerizing display of skill. It's stretched, spun, and flipped until it's nearly transparent, then fried in butter until golden and crisp. Whether filled with banana and egg or simply drizzled with sweet condensed milk, the crackle of that first bite is pure satisfaction. And for dessert, a dish that is the very essence of Thai sweetness: mango sticky rice. Perfectly ripe, fragrant mango is served alongside glutinous rice steamed with coconut milk. A final drizzle of rich, slightly salty coconut cream ties it all together. It's a comforting, harmonious end to our culinary journey. Every stall has its own story, and every single bite is a testament to the bold, beautiful, and unforgettable flavors of Thailand. What makes these markets special isn't just the food, it's the people. Friends sharing tables, families enjoying late dinners, and travelers tasting Thailand for the first time. Here, food brings everyone together, no matter where you're from. As we walk deeper into the market, the energy grows stronger. Street food stalls blend with souvenir shops, music mixes with conversation, and the night feels endless. This is Bangkok's rhythm, chaotic, colorful, and beautifully alive. From spicy to sweet, from traditional recipes to modern twists, Bangkok's street food scene offers something for everyone. It's not just a meal, it's an experience you remember long after the night ends. If you enjoyed this Bangkok street food walk, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more night market vibes. Until next time, keep walking, keep exploring.